Welcome to the Level 3B Listening Challenges. Today we're going to practice recognizing all ascending major and perfect intervals from seconds to octaves. And we're going to add tritones. Turn to the Let's Listen page in Challenge 4 of your workbook. If you would like to review your major and perfect intervals, watch the Level 2 videos covering seconds, thirds, fourths, and fifths, or the Level 3A video covering sixths, sevenths, and octaves. Tritones are a very dissonant-sounding interval. Other dissonant intervals we've learned are seconds and sevenths. A major second is very small, meaning the notes are close together. A major seventh is very far apart, as the notes are only one step smaller than a full octave. In fact, major sevenths often lead our ears upwards towards the perfect octave. In a similar way, tritones can lead our ears up towards a perfect fifth. Composers often finish a tritone by stepping up to the fifth, as in the theme song for The Simpsons, or the lovely ballad Maria from Leonard Bernstein's West Side Story. Many people confuse tritones and major sevenths for that reason. The best way to tell them apart is to pay attention to how far apart the notes are, a tritone being much smaller than a major seventh. Of course, to truly learn an interval, you must practice it many times, not only listening to the interval over and over, but playing a note on your instrument and practicing hearing the tritone above it. Double-check yourself by playing the proper note and seeing how far off you were. If hearing the note in your head is difficult, hum or whistle the notes out loud. Now it's time to practice. You can refer to the chart on your page to help you narrow down your options. I'm going to play each interval 3 times. Write the size and quality of the interval you hear. You can use a number for the size, and a capital M for major and a capital P for perfect. Or write TT for tritone. Let's start. This interval was a perfect fifth. Here's example number 2. This interval was a major second. Here's example number 3. This interval was a major sixth. Here's example number 4. This interval was a tritone. Here's example number 5. This interval was a major third. Here's example number 6. This interval was a perfect fourth. Here's example number 7. This interval was a perfect octave. Here's example number 8. This interval was a tritone. Here's example number 9. This interval was a perfect fifth. Here's example number 10. This interval was a major seventh.